Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I want to start off by saying I do have a top on. It's just strapless, so I promise I'm not naked. But for today's 13 Days of Halloween, I am doing a half glam, half pumpkin face. I saw this look on Pinterest and thought it looked really cool, so I wanted to recreate it. I will put that original pin down below in the description bar if y'all want to check out that one. But I'm starting off with the glam side because that one is the easiest and I knew it wouldn't take as long as the pumpkin side, so I'm just doing my normal face routine. I added some primer and now I'm just going in with my foundation, and then I'm going to do the same thing I would normally do: my concealer, setting powder, bronzer, blush, highlight. And I am doing a more kind of orangey highlight from one of the Anastasia Glow palettes just to kind of make it blend in a little bit more with the pumpkin side. Here I'm doing my brows, or well, my brow, and then I'm going to do my eyeshadow just on this one eye as well. I decided to do an orangey and black smoky eye just to make it look a little bit more Halloween-y and match the pumpkin side. Now for the very time-consuming part, the pumpkin side. So I have that picture pulled up on my phone for reference, and I'm just taking a black eyeliner to do the outline. I'm going to go ahead and outline everything on my face, and then I'm also going to do on my chest as well. And that part was actually pretty tricky. Now I'm filling in all the areas that are black. I think I started off using black paint, but then decided to use a black gel liner because it dried matte. Now I'm filling in the rest with orange paint, and I didn't want it to be too bright of orange, so I did mix a little bit of white paint to kind of tone it down. And this is actually the second time I am redoing this look. The first time it was bright, like Tennessee orange, and I love my balls, but it was not a cute pumpkin look. And I didn't do the chest part, I just stopped at my jawline, so I'm glad I redid it because I love how this one turned out. I'm taking a small brush and just going over the edges where I got any orange and just making the black a little sharper. I'm about to start my shading and I wanted to use eyeshadow for that, so here I'm just taking a translucent setting powder to set all of that paint. And now I'm just going over any edges that I might have messed up and clean it up a little bit, but that will complete this look. I really hope that y'all enjoyed it. I love how it turned out, and if y'all did too, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you don't miss my other Halloween looks. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for my next video.